let's start this project. Create in here new Flutter project. Click on that and right in here make sure to select Flutter, as you guys can see, and here provide the SDK path. Now we will simply go and click next. Now we will give the name to this project. I will name this as a OLX. Instead of space we will give the underscore, okay, and then I'll write clone underscore app. And guys, it must be in a small alphabets, as you guys can see right in here, and all of the thing in here is just fine. Now you will simply go and click on that finish. So it's creating a Flutter project. Just wait for a while. There we go, loading some sample. There we go with the main dot. Now we will simply close that from here, and we are here on the main dot. From here we will close that readme, and we are left with a main dot. And also guys, make sure in here select the project. By default it selected the project right in here, as you guys can see. Just make sure to select in here that project, okay. That's the main dot. Now we will go down and we will simply just wrap this class and also wrap that class and simply delete this because we don't need this. And in here what I'll do for now, just simply I'll remove that and we will have a scaffold. In here comma, and that's fine. And if you guys want to just add the const modifier, go ahead and do that. I will also remove those comment lines, and that's fine. Now what I'll do, I'll simply go and open the emulator. So in here click on this device manager. I have already downloaded that emulator, and in your case if you guys don't have the emulator, just simply come here and click on this create device, okay, right in the virtual. Click on that, and in here select your font size in here, okay, whatever you want, and then come here and click on this next, and in here also select the API level, okay. I'll go with the 27 and let's go and click next. So in here you guys can also rename your phone in here. You can give the name whatever you want right in here, and whenever you guys done with that, just simply come here and click on this finish. So it will simply create a virtual device with phone emulator for you. So I will not click on that because I have already downloaded the emulator, so there is no need of that in my case. So simply I'll go with the cancel. Now I'll simply go and just open the emulator in here. As you guys can see, it's just connecting. There we go. So it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. Now we will just test the app, okay, for now, because right in here as you guys can see there's just a scaffold. First I'll remove that zoom control from here. So in here click on that, and there we go, it's gone now. Now come here and click on this run man.dot. This will take some time, just wait for a while. So there we go with the output. It's working just fine, and as you guys can see already, here is just a empty scaffold, and there we go with the white screen. Okay, because right in the home there is just a empty scaffold. That's why in here the output is like that. And we will also remove that banner from here, the debug. Okay, so for that what I'll do in here, we will say debug show check mode banner, set this to false. So this will remove that debug. But now just press the Ctrl S, or you guys can simply come here and click on that. You guys will notice in a while that the debug will be gone. There we go. Okay, the red line has been gone already. And I will also just change the title from here, remove that Flutter demo, and we will name this as a OLX clone app. So basically that's it for this video. Right on the next video we will work further.